Drop top time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Let's take a look at this one. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible. This one has a numbers matching 327 underneath the hood, along with a 4-speed manual transmission. Also power steering, power brakes. Has had a repaint in the red and white combination, along with a white vinyl top. Let you get a good look at this front grille, headlight surrounds, bumper. See the SS badging on there, not representing this one as an SS. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this engine bay, interior trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. You're going to see the stamping on the engine, so you'll be able to see that the VIN number does match the VIN on the car to the stamping on the engine. Also, MA suffix code, letting you know this is a 327 underneath the hood. Let you take a look up and down the passenger side here. See, the red has a nice gloss to it, so nice reflection, nice bright red color. You may find a few imperfections here and there. I notice one up in the hood, just a little bit of a chip, been touched up, but not very many spots overall. What they affectionately got to be known as the ice cube trays here in the Midwest. This car actually came out of Phoenix originally. It was an Arizona car. Sold new at Midway Chev in Phoenix, Arizona. This top is power also, so we do have a power top, and it is in working order. I'll let you take a look at the interior here. Black and white houndstooth vinyl cloth combination. Front rear's nice shape. Seat belt still intact. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Speaking of Midway Chevrolet, Phoenix, original Midway Phoenix emblem on there. Kind of cool. One of the old school ones. Included in this purchase are a couple floor mats I took out so you could see the carpeting in the pictures, in the yellow and black boxes. Side mirrors, so the rear view side mirrors for each door. Driver and passenger. Parade boots, some miscellaneous belts, battery tie down, and a full-size spare tire. Those will be in the trunk. Go with the purchase of this vehicle. And you can see the still pictures once again of that trunk. When you're looking at still pictures of the trunk, check it out, the cocktail shakers. Still with this car. Actually, the stiffeners for the convertibles. If you're not familiar with the cocktail shakers, check it out. They're in the trunk. Still intact. The still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Riding on the chrome Krager SS is great look on this car. They look like some nice ones too. Good shape, good newer version, or they're just in very, very nice shape. BF Goodrich radials. Also, one of the things that will go with this, there is a folder with some manuals, showroom brochures, paraphernalia. That will also go along with this vehicle. Door panels, good shape. And take a look again at the underside of this car, undersides of the doors. You can see it appears to be a very solid car. Take one last look at the interior from the driver's side here. And before this video is over, I'll run that top up so we can get one last peek at that before we finish the video up. Armrest has been added for convenience. That is just sitting on the original console, it appears. Let's go ahead and check out how this car sounds, runs. We'll check out the gauges down here. Alright. So how easily it starts. Wipers do work. Had those working just a bit ago. Also, take a look, if you can see that without the glare. Clock also works. Got the tachometer around the clock. That is working. Sure, we're in neutral here. I did not get the radio to power up, FYI. Tried a couple different things, didn't have any luck with it. There you can see the gauges down below. Maybe you can. The glare off of there. There you can get a look at it. Fuel gauge, amp meter, oil, and of course temperature. dash. Also in nice shape. Definitely tell this car was stored indoors. It was down in Phoenix. Slip around to the back so you can hear that 327. Nice sounding engine. There you go, dual exhaust, so rumble coming out of it. Nothing over the top, no crazy cams, crazy exhaust. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second so I can use both hands to open this hood, but just give me a second. I'll get the hood open and let's check out that engine bay. Take a peek at the hood liner there first. Intact, nice shape. Looks like a newer brake booster master cylinder. Little chrome valve cover dressed up as well as the air cleaner. Chrome cover, power steering down there. So both power steering and power brakes. See how smooth that runs. Very easy to see. I was talking about the suffix code and the VIN stamp there. Also very easy to see, so you'll be able to check that out in the still pictures also. Nice smooth running V8, wow. Sounds good. Nice and quiet up underneath the hood. Alright, I'm going to pause this one last time and we'll check out that white vinyl convertible top that is power.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look at the top here. White vinyl, like I said, nice shape. Don't see anything really out of the ordinary on this. Looks like a newer top also. Didn't see any rips, tears, holes. Rear window is clear. Not going to be a problem seeing out of it all. Yeah, I mean, you're going to have a few little wear marks like you do get on the plastic windows, but nothing out of the ordinary. And the power top went up and down as it should. Fits nice and tight. Nice and tight up above the windshield. Good all the way around. Looking for a fun drop top? Classic Gen 1 Camaro. Here you go, 1968. And remember, numbers matching. 327 underneath the hood. 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes. Give us a call. Follow 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCar.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It'll take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate. Call or email.